In this video, let me show you how to multitask, how to split screen using your MacBook Neo. So over here, I have two apps and I can use both of them at the same time. Let me simply exit this feature. So let's say I have over here two windows. If you pass your cursor right above the green circle on the top left corner of one of the windows, you're going to have more options appearing. You have move and resize, you have fill and arrange, and finally you have full screen. If you want to have exactly what I showed you a few seconds ago, you need to go in full screen. And for example, if I want to place this app on the right side, well, I'll click right side, and now they will ask us to choose another app to put it on the left side. Right now I just have one window open, so it will be this one, but if you have multiple windows open, they will ask you, hey, which one do you want? So you simply have to click on it and voila. Right now I have two apps open in full screen, both on my screen. And you have also this middle bar where you can extend it on one side or the other one, and the apps are resizing depending which one you want to take more space on the display. So that's one way on how to do it. If you want to exit this screen because you had enough, simply go back, okay, put your cursor on the top, click on this green icon, green circle, and it disappeared. The multitasking stopped. Now let me show you how to do the same thing, but differently. So another way is, again, if you pass your cursor above the green circle, let me choose instead move and resize. So there's multiple options. Let me put this one down. And by clicking that option, it will go on the bottom of the screen, but it will not ask me if I want to put an app on the top. I'll have to take another app. Okay, let's say the calendar, do the same thing, but instead this one I'll choose to go up. So now I have two apps open at the same time. It's not like last time, it's not full screen. So as you see, the calendar goes above the other app, but some people may prefer this option. So hey, that's another way on how you can multitask and split screen. You won't have a bar deciding which app takes more space. You can simply resize the windows as you want. It's basically just a resizing tool. If I click on, if I pass the cursor above the green circle, you also have fill and arrange. And let me try to do this one, okay? It's 4 different windows open at the same time. If I click this option, it will put my two apps, one on top of each other. I only have 2 windows open. If I had 4 windows open, it will put all the 4 apps windows that are open in each quadrant of the screen. Let me open other apps. Okay, so let me mix them up a bit. And if I do the same thing, now I have 4 different windows open. I go over the green screen, the green circle again, and I press this last option. As you see, it has put each window separately. Obviously, for example, some apps won't be able to resize to be very small. The calendar app is not able to get a window very small. It's limited. And that's why sometimes the window goes above another one. But otherwise, this is it. You also have options with 3 apps or options with 2 apps. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.